Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today's explainer demystifies Docker, totally curing that absolute nightmare of environmental drift. We've all asked it, right? Why does my code run flawlessly locally, but totally crash on the production server? Okay, let's dive into this. That crash, it's caused by environmental drift, those frustrating, hidden differences across machines. Enter Docker. It's quite simple, actually. It packages your app and all dependencies into one consistent, portable container. First up, missing files. It is incredibly easy to just forget crucial utility files when moving environments. Docker solves this by packaging literally everything, code, binaries, into one static snapshot, so absolutely nothing gets left behind. Now, what's really interesting about this side is our next battle, messy version mismatches on the same machine. Docker's containers are totally isolated. A modern .NET 5 app can run safely right beside a legacy one. The final hurdle? Configuration differences. Think mismanaged API keys or totally different database paths across your servers. Docker securely injects those variables at runtime. This keeps your sensitive setups perfectly consistent from local to production. So the crucial point is managing multiple microservices easily. That brings us to the magic of Docker Compose. Just type Docker Compose up. That's it. This single command beautifully automates your entire infrastructure setup in seconds. And this brilliantly illustrates fast onboarding. Clone the code, run Compose, and boom, apps and databases are live. Finished for the day? Docker Compose down is literally the ultimate cleanup command you'll ever need. Adding the RME flag thoroughly resets your environment, deleting untagged images to effortlessly save vital disk space. So, which messy, broken project will you rescue and containerize first? Thanks so much for joining this explainer.